Introduction. Did humans live with dinosaurs? Now, we were told in school that dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. But is this really true? What if dinosaurs actually lived with humans? What if they have even been seen in the last few thousand years? What if they have been spotted in the last few centuries? Or is it possible that there are even some of them still alive today? And most importantly, what would this mean for the theory of evolution? Would it completely destroy the whole theory? Discover some truly amazing facts about dinosaurs that have been known for years but have never been published in the textbooks. Fill in the information below, your first name and your email address, and you're going to get 3 videos on this subject. This information is information that you are never taught at school. And then we're going to send you a couple more videos on did humans really live to be 900 years old. These 2 videos will give you some amazing information on scientific facts that show that not just humans but animals and even plants live to be much older than they are today. And then 4 more videos on the basic supports for evolution and how those 4 legs of evolution are being removed, or actually have been removed scientifically. So they remove the 4 legs of evolution that even make evolution possible. Thank you for watching this video, and you'll be receiving these other videos right away as soon as you fill in your information. Please share a comment down below on Facebook, and we'll see you in the next video.